a hairy ape man. He put it in his mouth. He started having thoughts, all kinds of ideas. Grew himself a little ego, invented a new language. But then he built a tower, designed a system of power. You know, I read it in the paper. He made a tiny computer that fits inside your hand. Communicate across the planet. Look back into the cosmos. Post a picture for your Facebook. Make a profile on your Snapchat. Murder people from a distance and laugh at videos of cats. Everything is bullshit.